Lesson 7. Volume of figures. The volume of an object is a measure of amount of space it occupies. Solid figures like cubes, cuboids, cylinders, cones and spheres occupy space and hence have volume. In the previous class, we have learned that standard units are required for the measurement of area. Similarly, for volume also, a standard unit is required. A cube of side 1 unit like 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter, or 1 meter is used as the standard unit of volume. The cubes of length 1 millimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 meter are shown above. Their volumes are 1 cubic mm, 1 cubic cm, and 1 cubic m respectively. We can find the volume of a solid by fitting in unit cubes in the solid and counting them. For example, volume of fig A is 8 cubic cm and that of fig B is 9 cubic cm. Note: volume is always measured in cubic units. We use a cube to measure volume because it is the only three-dimensional measure which can fill all available space without leaving any empty space. Units used for measuring volume. For very small containers, we use cubes of side 1 millimeter. The measurement of volume of such a cube is written as 1 cubic mm or 1 mm3. For small containers, we use cubes of side 1 centimeter. The measurement of volume of such a cube is written as 1 cubic cm or 1 cubic centimeter. For big containers, we use cubes of side 1 meter. The measurement of volume of such a cube is written as 1 cubic m or 1 cubic meter. Consider a box whose length is 5 centimeters, breadth is 3 centimeters and the height is 2 centimeters. Let us fill 1 cubic centimeter unit cubes in it. We find that 30 such cubes will fit into the box completely. So, we say that the volume of the box is 30 cubic cm, but number of cubes along length of the box is equal to 5. Number of cubes along breadth of the box is equal to 3. And number of cubes along the height of the box is equal to 2. We have 5 times 3 times 2 is equal to 30. Thus, volume of cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height. We call the length, breadth and height of the cuboid as its dimensions. Example 1. Find the volume of a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 16 centimeters, 12 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Solution: length of the cuboid is equal to 16 centimeters. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 12 centimeters. Height of the cuboid is equal to 9 centimeters. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length times breadth times height is equal to 16 times 12 times 9 cm3 is equal to 1728 cubic centimeters. Volume of a cube. We know that a cube is a cuboid with length is equal to breadth is equal to height. So, volume of a cube is equal to length times length times length. Example 1. Find the volume of a cube whose side measures 12 centimeters. Solution: length of each side of the cube is equal to 12 centimeters. Volume of the cube is equal to side times side times side is equal to 12 times 12 times 12 cu. Cm is equal to 1728 mm3.